Let me show you how to fix your adjustable belt for your lunch bag or your handbag. So this is, I was making 2 lunch boxes. I said let me just record this video for you guys. So I already finished with this one. This is what I'm talking about, something like this. Okay, so can you see, guys? So I'm going to be using this second one to illustrate how to do it. For you to be able to fix your adjustable belt, you need 2 rings. You need something like this, a D-ring or a square ring or any shape of ring like this of the same size. Okay, so I'm going to be using, you need 2 of it. You need 2 of it. I'm going to be using these 2 now. I was, like I said, I was already making this lunchbox. Okay, so now the next thing you're going to do is to make sure that one of this ring is on this side. Okay, we want to make this belt to be adjustable. If you put it directly like this and then you just stitch it, it's not going to be adjustable. It's going to be as long as this, but we want it to be like this, like something like this, that you'll be able to adjust the length of the handle. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and bond. So I'm going to bond this part of my belt so that it doesn't unravel. Okay, so once I'm done bonding it, okay, so the next thing is I'm going to remove this adjuster, this thing here, this thing that is in between. This particular one is just meant to be a plain ring, so not an adjustable ring that has something in between. It's just meant to be a plain ring, but I already have this type of ring available. The other ring I have is not this size, so I want to use this. So what we're going to do now is to first remove this one here, this adjuster here, because we don't need it for this video. We don't need it, so I'm going to use my plier to remove this. Okay, so I'll do the same thing to this second part. You don't need to do this if your ring is just a plain ring, like I've said earlier. So we're going to remove this. So taking this out of it. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to take your belt. Look at the belt, make sure that the belt is straight, is not folded. Okay, straight. And then I'm going to take my ring. Can you see? I'm going to pass my ring into this, like this, like this. Can you see? Hope you can see. Pass it in and then pass it into this place. Okay, after passing it like this, we're going to pass this. You're not passing it like this, you're passing it from here into it like this. Okay, so once you pass it into it like this, the next thing we are going to do now is to go ahead and then pull the belt. And then after pulling the belt, you're going to pass this. Now watch me closely. Pass this. After passing it inside from here, pull it out and then pass this one in. We are passing it in between this adjuster, so pass it in like this and then pull it out. Okay, after pulling it out, can you see? You're going to bend this one to this side. Don't stitch it like this, bring it back to the back one, this one. Okay, this particular one, this one here, put it like this. Okay, so once you put it like this, you can make sure that what you have to this side is like 1.5 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches. 1.5 is okay, so you can just secure it in place with your pin like this. Secure it first to be sure that what you are doing is right. Now once you are done securing it, try and adjust it and see. If you adjust it and you have something like this, it means you are right. Okay, if you adjust it and you have something like this, it means you are right with whatever you are doing. So the next thing you're going to do now is to take it to the machine and then we're going to stitch this down. Stitch it here, or you can fold this. It's either you stitch it like this or fold this in little in like this to give it that clean finishing. Fold like 1/4 of an inch in like this, and then we're going to stitch it down to this particular one, this one, like this. So let's go ahead and stitch it now. Stitch it over and over again. stitch it up to 5 to 6 times, because this part is going to be carrying a lot of load. Do you understand? It's going to be carrying the load on the bag. Once you're done, trim off the excess thread. And here we have our adjustable belt for our lunchbox. Can you see, guys? Now you can adjust this belt like this. You can adjust it. Can you see? It's adjustable, and then you can reduce like this. Can you see? I made 2 lunch box. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and drop a comment. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.